Hi. To help you get the most out of the Bay East website, we have put together a series of videos explaining how to use each section of the website. Here's an example of one of those videos. This one is on using the Bay East events calendar. Enjoy. The calendar is where you can get information on upcoming MLS and tech classes, professional development classes, Bay East events, webinars, and more. On the front page, the next 7 events are always displayed in the left column. By clicking on any one of the events displayed, you can get details of the event and even sign up for most of the classes. To see the full calendar, either click on the calendar icon next to the events or on the calendar menu item. You will be taken to the current month's calendar. The calendar events are grouped into one of 5 categories: education, MLS and tech, orientation, ethics, committee meetings, and other events. By clicking on any one of the buttons, you can filter the events to only show those events in that category. Navigate to future or past months by either clicking on the events in the date area or by scrolling to the bottom of the calendar and clicking the previous or upcoming month. Hover over a class that you are interested in to see some of the details of that event. Click on the event that you are interested in getting more information about. Depending on the event type, you will see time and date information, description of the event, instructor and cost, a link to a flyer about the event, a registration button to sign up for the event, buttons to export the event information to Google Calendar or Outlook, address and contact information. Visit the calendar often as we are constantly adding new classes and events. For more videos like this, click on the link below. Thank you.